Hey there, are you thinking about buying a new home, but you wanted to hold off until after the election? And now you're waiting for interest rates to plummet. If that sounds like you, I get it. A lot of folks are in the same boat. But here's the thing, waiting could actually end up costing you more money. My name's Becky Stutz, and I'm with Coldwell Banker Southern Realty. Let me tell you why right now is actually the best time to buy. See, right now, we are in a buyer's market. That means if you are a buyer, this is your market. So things could really work out in your favor. Sellers are more than willing to negotiate, sometimes even covering your closing costs. And home prices are more reasonable compared to crazy highs we've seen in other markets. Now, here's the flip side. If you wait, hoping interest rates will suddenly drop, you might end up facing a totally different market. Demand could skyrocket, driving up home prices, and suddenly you're competing with cash buyers and multiple offers. Not to mention, higher prices could cancel out any benefit that you received from that slightly lower interest rate. Don't let the home that you've been dreaming about slip away just because you're waiting for the perfect time. Because let's be real, there is rarely a perfect time. Whether you're in Tennessee, Kentucky, or planning to move elsewhere, I would love to help you get started. So give me a call. Let's talk about your goals, and I'll help you map out a plan that makes sense for you. This could be the moment that you've been waiting for, and I can help you make it happen. Check back next week for another pro tip. Until then, let's stay connected. See you next week.